No questions asked. Don't even look up and see what date it is. You already know what day it is. Anyway, again, no news. No earnings for this week. Earnings come on the 6th. It looks like when we gonna start seeing earnings again. Straight like that. News for this week, nothing crazy. Chicago PMI, probably the only thing I see that could move the market from my experience. We do have FOMC meeting minutes, but I believe it's not really gonna move the market crazy. We'll have to see. But holiday, so market closed on the 1st. I just realized, like, January 1st is that's a holiday. How is that a holiday? It's just how I look at it, just a start of a new year. We just keep going. Like, the day after that gonna be January 2nd. That's wild. So apparently, how I'm looking at it, is the market open? Let's see. Oh, S&P Global Manufacturing PMI. It is late. I don't have all the energy in the world, but still gonna get this done. Hold on. So market is closed on Thursday. Wow. But anyway, without further ado, let's talk about SPY. It's kind of like a freestyle. I'm not gonna lie. SPY, QQQ, really all of these, they're really like a freestyle. I'm not saying that I rehearse all my videos, which I don't. I just be knowing like what I'm gonna say beforehand. But it's really like a freestyle. But anyway, what do we do on SPY? New all-time highs. I did talk about. I'm gonna go to SPX right fast so I can see a little better. Was it SPX? I'm freezing up. Yeah, I am freezing up. I cannot lie. Give me 1 second. Because it's right here at the fingertip. Boom. It's off the daily. Okay, boom. Off the daily. I did see Head and Shoulders off the daily. If we did make new highs, which we did, and you can see Head and Shoulders. Shoulder, and then it's the neckline right here. So let me go back to SPY. let me see if I can put these together, if that makes sense. I mean, we do see this level 671. We do see 671 is a Head and Shoulders, shoulder, and then neckline up here. And we just have to see if we're gonna keep going. What I'm be doing for this week, I'm day trading. I'm day trading this week. So I will be dropping videos 3 days back to back. Well, 4 days back to back, including this one. So honestly, what did I put on for SPY? 680 bounce, new all-time highs. That's it. 680, 687. So somewhere in between there. That's what I'll be looking for, like, throughout the week. That's what I'll be looking for. But realistically, be day trading. That's what I've been doing of recent as well. Just day trading. Maybe a day or two swing. Maybe 3 days. But really just been day trading. What else can I say? We are above the 8 EMA. We're above the 21. Weekly. Let me go to the weekly right fast. Nothing crazy on the volume off the weekly. We are back in greed with the fear and greed indicator. CNN fear and greed indicator. Yeah, QQQ. QQQ is interesting because QQQ and SPY normally like move like in sync, but I'm pretty sure QQQ would make new all-time highs very soon. But what do I see? We're above the 8. We wick. This was the week to buy. If you want to swing, this is like the week to buy because towards Wednesday of last week, yeah, we got brought up. Wednesday, Thursday, yeah, we got brought up. As you can see, wick down, and look at these levels. Yeah, look how many times this level played effect 600, the 600 level. Very interesting. Just gotta, just stay on toes, look out for stuff like that, and then it just see like we closed above the 8 EMA. So interesting. But what do I see on QQQ? We go to the RSI. Oh, also, did I speak upon this? I do want to see. Price target is up there. I do want to see this RSI flip. If this RSI flip, that'll be okay. That'll be good. But I'm still thinking divergence. I mean, it's still divergence on the chart. I mean, on the RSI, if that makes sense. I mean, you still can see it. It's here. So if price come down this week, I wouldn't be surprised. Like again, I'm day trading this week. Straight like that. Back to QQQ. QQQ. Again, this could be a potential W, double bottom ish. We just have to see. Right now, we just have to see. But me just talking, I love where I'm at right now. I love where I'm at because I just love where I'm at. Just 1%, one day at a time. Oh, I ought to stay out of this line. I'm sorry. What's going on? But what do I see on QQQ? I said go past 628 and possibly retest 620, 623. That's what I see. Yeah, straight like that. Daily. We can go to the daily. This is a rejection point. This 628 is a rejection point. So if we get a bit above, I'll definitely be watching for like 625, 623, around that zone, around that level for a bounce, somewhere around there. Yeah. On to the next. Whoa. What do I have next? TSM. Do not mind TSM chart. Please don't mind TSM chart. This will be clean before tomorrow. I probably just need to delete all these lines down here. But TSM, right? It's interesting because I did want to take TSM like 2 weeks ago. I'm looking at it right now. I was looking for a TSM 288 bounce. TSM now is at 302. So wow, that was okay. So we got that last week. Boom. So TSM is at 302, and I'm looking to long TSM and take profit near 307. Let me tell you what I see. Boom. We could draw a trend line off the weekly. Pretty sure off the daily as well. But we just draw this trend line. Boom. It's not the best trend line, not gonna lie. But 2 taps of support. Also on the RSI as well. We draw a trend line on the RSI as well. Boom, boom. They're in congruence. They're in conglomerates, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Above the 8. What else do I see? Weekly volume, not so much, nothing crazy. This volume, I don't know why, but this volume, like the like price going up, but the volume ain't. The volume not. I don't know. I guess we just at all-time highs, and yeah. But TSM, this is what I see. This is a day trade in my eyes. But if I do swing it, I will. I mean, if I have to swing it, I will. Yeah. Straight like that. TSM could possibly make new all-time highs. Who knows? Yeah. What do I have next? Let me get this out of the way. I am a little tired. I am, just a tad bit. But it's got to get done. XLC. I remember adding this chart. I remember adding this ticker to my watch list towards the beginning of the year, which is kind of like wow. But what do I see on this chart, right? Pull up the RSI, head and shoulders on the RSI. A potential J pattern. Let me from what I learned, J pattern is this right here. How price, I hope y'all follow. How price it can go up and then just it goes down, make a little J with this right here. And then this break. This break is where you would like to get in at. So I see something similar to that. So I will be taking this. Depends on how we open. Depends on how we open. And if we get rejections off 119, I just have to see. But weekly, we're above the 8. We have been above the 8 for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for the past month and 1 month, 1 week. What else do I see? Price target 123. This could be this could possibly be a swing. This could possibly be a swing. I would want to see what's their price range. What's their price range? So a $2 price range. Cool. On to the next. What's next? VRT. Yes, I am talking about VRT again because VRT, once this goes. And I'm going to be in VRT and I'm going to be in VRT. Straight like that. Once we can clear above this 8 EMA, I feel like we're good. This 170 level, I have 169 in front of us, but I'm gonna just say 170. This 170 level. What's on my right? It's really 168, 168.04. The level I see on my cheat sheet, 168.04. But 170, if we can clear above 170, this would be nice. I'm thinking a double bottom, and we can get filled towards the bottom. Straight like that. That's what I'm thinking. RSI doesn't look too bad. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Also, let me just throw this in there. That is 5. VIX is at 13. So, yeah, VIX is at 13. I do want to throw that in there because I think I missed out on the last few weeks. But yeah, that's what I see. Video tomorrow, the day after that, and the day after that. So, happy to do that. Think someone will be up and live and ready to run. And yeah, I won't be posting another Sunday video until the 4th of January. So that's cool. Inshallah. And yeah, straight like that. See you tomorrow. Please.